What is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna for those of you who are new here. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make your own hand sanitizer and sanitizing wipes. So in this time right now, it is so hard to find Clorox wipes, Lysol wipes, and hand sanitizer. I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get into it. The first wipes we are going to tackle are the alcohol wipes. All you will need are baby wipes, your isopropyl alcohol, and measuring cups. Be sure that your alcohol is at least 60% to be effective, and that's per the Center of Disease Control and Prevention. Try to aim for 70% and higher. Ideally, 99% is the best. So I am going to pour 1.5 cups of alcohol. Afterwards, I realized the alcohol was a little too strong, so 1 cup will probably be enough for your baby wipes. I did not find a funnel at the Dollar Tree, so I created my own funnel using a plastic water bottle. Be sure that when you're pouring your alcohol, you evenly distribute it inside your baby wipes. So what I'm doing here is pouring it on one side, and then I'm going to turn the bag around to pour it in on the other side. After we're done pouring the alcohol, go ahead and close the baby wipes, and then I'm just going to flip it around a little bit just so the alcohol doesn't sit in one place. Please do not forget to label your baby wipes. You could write on the bag with a permanent marker, but just make sure you label them. The alcohol wipes are a little too strong for me. When I smell alcohol, I think of the hospital, I think of clean, I think of sanitized. I only use these alcohol wipes on the doorknobs in our house. So anything that has a knob, I am wiping it down with these alcohol wipes. Now we're moving on to my favorite wipes, the Lysol wipes. All you're going to need is Lysol, your baby wipes, and measuring cups. I use the same measurement as the alcohol, which is 1.5 cups. And you could dilute the Lysol if you wanted to, but the times that we are in right now, I am going to use the Lysol at its full strength. I did try to pour it directly into the baby wipes, and that was not a good idea. So here I am back with my homemade funnel. Before I use my sanitizing wipes, I do like to let them sit for 24 hours just to make sure everything is soaked in. Don't forget to label your bag, and just like the alcohol wipes, I do like to flip the bag around afterwards just to make sure that there's no Lysol just sitting at the bottom of the bag. This is my jam. I have it in the bathroom. I have it in the kitchen. I love these to wipe down the counters. I use it in the bathroom to wipe down the toilet and the sink. Like, this is my jam. Last but not least, we have my favorite, the hand sanitizer. All you're going to need is aloe vera gel, your alcohol, measuring cups, essential oil, and containers to put your hand sanitizer in. So we are going to start off with a 2/3 cup of alcohol and 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel. Make sure it says aloe vera gel on your bottle. I picked up my aloe vera gel from Target. The alcohol I picked up from Walmart. If you want your hand sanitizer to be a little more thick, you can add more aloe vera gel. Not too much, but you can add a little more just to thicken it up. next we are going to add our essential oil. I highly recommend you use one that has some kind of antibacterial properties in them. Tea tree oil is a good one. Peppermint is another good one. I picked up this peppermint one from Walmart. It just adds a little more protection from germs. And I highly recommend using essential oils to also help you hide that alcohol smell. So you want to make sure you mix everything very well together. I should have picked up a whisk from the Dollar Tree, but I just decided to use my crafting fork to kind of mix everything, kind of like how you would beat eggs if you didn't have a whisk. Make sure there are no clumps in your hand sanitizer. I picked up these blue containers from Walmart, but you can grab containers from anywhere. There's the 99-cent store, Target, Dollar Tree, CVS. You can also use this mixture to refill your empty hand sanitizer bottles at home. Don't forget to label your sanitizer and you're good to go. So let's talk about hand sanitizer. This DIY hand sanitizer is a little different than the regular Germex or Purell. It dries very quickly. It is a lot more runny than the regular sanitizer. It goes on faster and dries faster. It also, you can smell the alcohol, but I did use essential oil in here, so I do smell the peppermint, and my hands feel so clean. If you cannot get your hands on hand sanitizer, this is the next best thing. This is so legit. I love this. This hand sanitizer is definitely 5 stars. Let's not forget the wipes. The wipes are too. So that is it for today's video. As we anxiously wait for the coronavirus to pass, I do hope you guys are staying safe out there. I also want to mention that washing your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds trumps hand sanitizer any day. But if you cannot get to soap and water, hand sanitizer is your best friend. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. I do upload videos weekly. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.